In this video, we're going to walk you through how to make aloe vera hydrating lotion using our brand new aloe vera juice. Start by weighing out all your ingredients in advance. Having everything pre-measured and ready to go makes the process smoother, faster and a lot less stressful. Now let's start with phase A. In a heat-proof bowl, combine your aloe vera juice and water. Then gently heat the mixture on a low heat until it reaches 70 degrees. After this, prepare phase B in a separate small heat-proof bowl. Combine your sweet almond oil, emulsifying wax, glycerol stearate and glycerine. Just like before, heat this gently over a low heat until it reaches around 70 degrees. Once phase A and phase B has reached the same temperature, it's time to emulsify. Slowly pour phase B into phase A and stir continuously as you pour. This is what helps the oil and water phase combine properly in a smooth lotion. If you want a thicker, more stable consistency, continue stirring or blending until the lotion starts to thicken. Allow to cool down to around 40 to 45 degrees. Once your mixture is cooled, it's time to add your cool down ingredients. Add your vitamin E, your preservative, or any additional essential oils you'd like to include. Adding these at a lower temperature is important. It helps protect the effectiveness and prevents delicate ingredients from being damaged by the heat. Give everything a good stir or do a short blend, just make sure it's fully incorporated. Now your lotion is ready to bottle. Pour the finished lotion into a clean, sanitized bottle and secure the lid tightly. Finally, let your lotion stabilize for a few hours before using it for the first time. The resting time helps the texture settle and fully develop, giving you the best feel and performance. And that's it, your lotion is finished. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like, subscribe for more toiletry making videos.